In today's quickly evolving world, your people are your greatest asset and your greatest opportunity for transformation. Welcome to ProDev, the professional development division of Cylentex, where we equip faculty, staff, and leadership teams with the tools to innovate, adapt, and thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape. From AI integration and cybersecurity readiness to modern leadership development and strategic transformation, our workshops are designed for one goal: real-world impact. Our most popular training, AI-empowered workplace, demystifies artificial intelligence and helps your team harness it for productivity, decision-making, and innovation. No tech background required. Our leadership series prepares professionals to lead with clarity, empathy, and innovation, building trust and resilience across your organization. Our Ethics and Organizational Integrity workshop provides a powerful framework for ethical leadership in education and enterprise, because trust is the currency of the future. In a digital-first world, cybersecurity defense and digital transformation strategy are no longer optional, they're essential. We help your team stay informed, secure, and prepared to embrace the tools shaping tomorrow. And when it's time to deliver faster, smarter results, our agile team management sessions unlock new levels of collaboration and flexibility. Every workshop is delivered virtually or in person, and every experience is interactive, customized, and immediately applicable. This isn't just training, it's transformation. Whether you're a university investing in faculty growth or an enterprise upskilling for the future, ProDev helps you lead with purpose, powered by knowledge. Book a discovery call today and see what's possible when development meets direction. Visit us at Cylentex /team training to learn more. Let's get busy.